My name's Dave Russ. I'm with a company called Deltic Wash Force out of Barrie, Ontario, Canada. Deltic Wash Force is a company that builds car washes. Collectively, we have about 130 years experience in the car wash business. As a distributor and not an operator, what motivated us was to find a solid supplier that was able to back us up, a family-oriented company that could speak with us as a family business. Synergy service has been fantastic. They have so many people with a strong backbench in their representatives, their technicians. It's been absolutely flawless in terms of recommendation, which product into which part of the tunnel. It's been great. The thing that drew us to Synergy was the opportunity to deal with a family company that had the technology, the engineers, the chemistry, the chemists that we can speak to. When we have a customer that needs to speak to somebody directly, we can make a phone call. We're not going through a wholesaler that has nothing to do with our business. They've been good for us. The wide range of products that Synergy has really offered our customer base not only a choice in price, but also performance. There's really the right chemical for each group. Our in-bay automatic customers have the perfect product. Our tunnel people have the flexibility to adjust by season and even adjust formulas as needed by territory. Well, I see the future of Synergy with our future. As a company, we look to partner with a company that we could distribute, that would answer all the customers' requirements, and it's absolutely been fantastic, and we're looking forward to many more years.